Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about some of the MCQs based on sex determination. So first question, in XX XO type of sex determination, in XX XO type of sex determination, we discussed two different types of sex determination majorly, that is male heterogamity and female heterogamity. So male heterogamity sex determination are XX and XO type, XX and XY type. So female heterogamity examples are types are ZZ, ZW and ZZ, ZO. So in this question what given in XX, XO type of sex determination. So go through the options. Females produce two types of gametes. Males produce two types of gametes. Females produce gametes with Y chromosome. Males produce gametes with Y chromosome. So XX and XY type of sex determination is what type of sex determination? Male heterogamity or female heterogamity? It is male heterogamity. It is the type of male heterogamity. So males produces two different types of gametes. So what is the answer? Go through the second option. Males produce two types of gametes. Right? Okay. Next question. Method of sex determination in poultry birds is. In birds, what type of sex determination? So, in birds, there is female heterogamety sex determination, type of sex determination. So, go through the options. XO method, XX, XY method, ZW, ZZ method, and hormonal method. So, birds are exhibits. What type of sex determination? Birds are exhibits ZW, ZZ. ZZ, ZW type of sex determination. Right? Okay, so that is female heterogamity. Okay, so go through the third option. Next question. Which is correct statement? So four statements given. So which one is correct? You need to identify. Birds have ZZ female, ZW male sex determination. Now only we discussed the birds are exhibits female heterogamity. So ZZ female given, ZW male given. So wrong. Next one, Drosophila has XX, XY type of sex determination. So Drosophila are exhibits XX, XY type of sex determination. Yes, Drosophilus and human beings are exhibits XX and XY type of sex determination. That is male heterogamity. Henking discovered Y chromosome. No, Henking identified, not discovered. Grasshopper shows XX, XY sex determination. That is also wrong. XX, XO grasshopper. Okay. So go through the second option. Second option is the correct. Okay. Right. Next one. In heterogametic sex determination, sex of the individual is determined at the time of. In heterogametic sex determination, sex of the individual is determined at the time of. At the time of when? Gamete formation, fertilization, nuclear fusion, and crossing over. At the time of fertilization, what type of the sperm, what type of the ova, or what type of the ova, or what type of the sperm fertile? At that time only, sex is going to be determined. Okay, so right. So what is answer? Fertilization is the correct option, right? Okay, next one. In grasshopper, the sex of the offspring depends on the. In grasshopper, the sex of the offspring depends on the. Grasshoppers are exhibits. What type of sex determination? What type of the sex determination method? XX and XO type of sex determination method exhibits by grasshoppers and cockroaches. So here XX and XO. In XX and XO, who is male and who is female? XO is the male and XX is the female. So male heterogamity. So the nature of ovum, go through the options. The nature of ovum. Second option, the nature of testis. Third option, the type of sperm fertilizing the ovum. Fourth option, type of ovum fertilizing by the sperm. So here what? The type of a sperm fertilizing the ovum, because males produces two different types of the gametes. Some of the gametes, some of the sperms are with X chromosomes. Some of the sperms do not have any type of allosomes, right? So that is XXX4 method. So go through the third option. Next one, question number 6. From the chromosomal complements given below, identify Identify the one which shows female heterogamety. Some of the chromosomal complements given in options. In that, which one you need to identify which one is female heterogamety? ZZ, ZW, XX, XXY, XX, XY, XX, and XO. So go through the fourth option. XXXO is male heterogamety. So wrong. XXXY also male heterogamety. Wrong. XXXXY, that is abnormal. We'll discuss later. That is also wrong. ZZZW is the example for female heterogamety. Exhibits by birds. Right? Okay. ZZ and ZW. Okay. Next one. If the karyotype of parents is AA plus ZZ male and AA, if the karyotype of parent is AA plus ZZ male and AA plus ZO female, the type of sex determination is. So ZZZO we discussed. AA indicates what? AA means autosomes. AA is nothing but autosomes. Okay, normal somatic chromosomes. Okay, so ZZZO type of sex determination is what type of sex determination? That is female heterogamety. Okay, right. So ZZZO is the answer. If the karyotype of parent AA plus ZZ male and AA plus ZO is female. Females are exhibits two different types of chromosomes, two different types of the gametes, right? Okay, so AA plus ZO female, that the type of sex determination is ZZZO type of sex determination, right? Okay, right. Next question, question number 8. Right here, question number 8. Match the following column number 1 with sac chromosomes and column number 2 with gametes. So match the following with column number 1 and with the column number 2. Right. In column number 1, the type of chromosomes given. In column number 2, the type of sex determination given. So column number 1, XO type, XY type B, and C is ZW type. In column number 2, 1 male heterogamety, second female heterogamety. Okay. So XO type and XY type. So XO and XY both are what? Male heterogamety or female heterogamety? Both are male heterogamety only. Okay, right. So A1, B1. Next one, ZW type of sex determination. ZW type of sex determination is what type? Female heterogamety, right? So ZW is female heterogamety. C2, A1, B1, C2. What is option? Option number 3rd. What you guess correct? That is right. So that is option number 3rd. Okay, next one. In meiosis, non-disjunction means. In meiosis process, non-disjunction means. Already I think botanists are discussed this topic. We will discuss later also, later topics, next topics in genetics. So meiosis, in meiosis process, non-disjunction. What is the meaning of non-disjunction? Generally, whenever at the time of formation of the gametes, the chromosomes are going to be separate. But non-disjunction means failure of segregation of paired chromosomes is called non-disjunction. So those are leads to mutations. Okay, so failure of segregation of paired chromosomes is called non-disjunction at the time of meiosis process. Okay, go through the 4th option. Next one. Select the incorrect statement. Select the incorrect one. One statement is wrong. Given 4 statements, one statement is wrong. You need to identify. Okay, first one. Male fruit fly is heterogamete. Male fruit fly is heterogametic. So fruit fly means what? Drosophila. So fruit fly Drosophila. Male fruit fly is heterogametic. Drosophila, what type of sex determination? Drosophila is exhibits what type of sex determination? Drosophila exhibits XX, XY type of sex determination. Okay, male heterogamete. So XY is male heterogamete. So first one is correct. Second one, in male grasshopper, 50% of sperms have no sex chromosomes. Yes, grasshopper exhibits XX and XY, XO type of sex determination. So XO means males. In that 50% of sperms consist with X chromosome, 50% of sperms do not have any type of sex chromosome. So that statement also correct. Okay. So third statement, in domesticated fowls, sex of progeny depends on the type of sperm rather than egg. Right. Go through this third statement once again. In domesticated fowls, fowl is nothing but birds. Birds, normal hens, chicks, sex of progeny depends on the type of sperm rather than egg. In birds, the sex determination depends upon what? Sperms or eggs? Ova only. Why? Because birds are exhibits. What type of sex determination? ZZ, ZW type of sex determination. ZW means two different types of the ovas are formed. Okay? Right. So, in domesticated fowls, sex of progeny depends on the type of sperm rather than egg. That is wrong. Right? Type of not sperm, types of egg. So, incorrect statement you need to identify. Okay. So, go through the third statement. So, explanation also given here. ZZZW type of a sex determination is the type of female heterogametic type of sex determination observed in the birds, reptiles, and some fishes, etc. Females produces the egg which are heterogametic, which ZW allosomes, and males produces sperms with allosomes. Right? Okay, allosomes ZZ, males ZZ and females ZW. The sex of the progeny is determined by the type of ovum that is fertilized. Okay, right. Explanation also given. After that, go through this. Right. Next one. Question number 11. ZW method of sex determination is seen in ZZZW type of sex determination seen in birds, reptiles, and fishes. Right. So option number 1 obviously. Next. ZW, comma, XO, comma, XY, and haplodiploid type of sex determination exhibits by which type of organism? ZZZW by whom? ZZZW by birds. XO by whom? XO by cockroaches, grasshoppers. Right. XXXY by whom? XXXY by Drosophila and human beings. Right. Okay, and haplodiploid by honeybee. So in correct order given, see here, first option, parrot, bird, cockroaches, XO, male, XY, male human, XY, and honeybee, haplodiploid, correct. Epinodites also bird, yes, ZW, grasshopper, XO, correct. Drosophila, XY, correct. And Apis indica, Apis means honeybee, haplodiploid, correct. Pavo, ZW, yes. Pavocristus is bird, yes. ZWS, grasshopper, XO, correct. Man, XY, yes. Honeybee, haplodiploid. So, what is answer? Answer is all of this, right? Okay, right. Question number 13. The type of sex determination in honeybee is, now only we discussed it, haplodiploidy. Why it is called haplodiploidy? Because honeybee males drones produced by the mitosis only, that is a haploid condition, 16 number of chromosome, and females are produced by the fertilized sperms and ova fertilized, right? So that is 2n condition, diploid condition, 32 number of chromosomes, right? So this is also called parthenogenesis. So which are produced by parthenogenesis? Males or females? Males or drones. Okay, right, in honeybee. Question number 14, next one. Sex determination in butterflies is, sex determination in the butterflies is what type of sex determination? XX type, ZO, ZZ type, and haplodiploidy type, and XXXO type of. 4 different types of sex determination given. In the butterflies, what type of sex determination? In the butterflies, there is ZO, ZZ type of sex determination. Butterflies and moths or exhibits ZZZO type of sex determination. That is male heterogamity or female heterogamity. ZZZO type of sex determination is female heterogamity. Okay, right. Next question. Okay, right. So here, which of the following statements are correct? Which of the following statements are correct? Okay, 4 statements given, in that which are correct you need to identify. First one, the method of sex determination in Fumia is ZO and ZZ method. So Fumia is one of the type of moth insect. So the method of sex determination in Fumia is ZO, ZZ method. Yes, that is correct. Next one, in Fumia, the female is homogametic with ZZ chromosomes. Correct? ZZZO is example for female heterogamete. But in second statement, what given? Female is homogametic with ZZ chromosome. So that is wrong. Okay, go through the third statement. In Fumia, the male is heterogametic, which one? Z chromosome. All right, which with one Z chromosome. So that is also wrong. So female is heterogamete, ZO, male is ZZ. So go through the fourth option. Fourth statement, the sex of the offspring depends on the fertilizing ovum in the female. Yes, because there is two different types of the ovas are produced. Some of the ovas are consist with a Z and some of the ovas do not have any type of sex chromosome. Right? So now the sex of the offspring is depend upon what? The sex of the offspring depend upon what type of the ova is going to be fertilized. So statement number 1 correct, statement number 4 correct. 2 and 3 statements are wrong. So what is answer? Answer is 1 and 4 is the correct answer. Okay, right. Okay, next one. Question number 16. In Apis indica, sperms from males are produced by Apis indica, honeybee. In honeybee, sperms from males are produced by. In honeybee, what type of sex determination? Honeybee, the type of sex determination is haplodiploidy. So, sperms from males. Males are what? Haploid or diploid? Males are already haploid and condition N chromosome, that is the 16 number of chromosomes. So, undergoes mitosis or meiosis. Sperms are produced by the process of mitosis only. Okay, ovules are produced from the females, that is by the meiosis. But sperms are produced in the male honeybees, that is by the process of mitosis. Okay, right. Question number 17. Identify the wrong statement. Human males have one sex chromosome much shorter than others. Human males have one sex chromosomes much shorter than others. Okay, next. In domesticated fowl, sex of progeny depends upon type of sperm that fertilizes the egg. Right. Third statement. In male grasshopper, 50% of sperms have no sex chromosome. Okay. Fourth statement. Female birds produce two types of gametes based on sex chromosome. So go through the fourth statement. You need to identify which one is wrong statement. So fourth statement. Female birds produce two types of gametes based on sex chromosome. Yes, because ZZZW method in birds. Yes, females are heterogametes. That one correct statement. Go through the third statement. In male grasshopper, 50% of sperms have no sex chromosome. Yes, because grasshopper XXXO type of a sex determination. So 50% of sperms do not have any type of sex chromosome. Yes, that's statement also correct. In domesticated fowl, sex of progeny depends upon the type of sperm that fertilizes the egg. No, wrong. Why? Because earlier we discussed, earlier question. ZZZW type. ZW means what? Females. Ovas are producers, right? So, in domesticated fowl, sex of progeny depends upon the type of sperm that fertilizes the egg. So, that is only wrong statement. Okay. So, first statement obviously correct. Human males have one sex chromosome much shorter than others, right? Okay, right. Fine. Next question. Question number 18. Study the following and identify the correct combination. Highly condensed X chromosome in gamete is called sex chromatin body or bar body. There is in females, human females, X chromosome, inactivated X chromosome is called bar body. There is a specialized structures are presented, inactivated X chromosome, those are called bar bodies. Okay, highly condensed X chromosome in the gamete is called X chromatin body or bar body. That is wrong. Actually, what is bar body? Bar body means there is inactivated X chromosome presented in the female gametes or female chromosomes. That is called a bar body. So bar body is presented in only females, right? So whenever amniocentesis, are you remembered? At that time, the fetal determination test. Amniocentesis is fetal determination test. They will collect the amniotic fluid, and by the amniotic fluid, how they determine the sex? Because whatever the chromosomes consist with the bar bodies, that is female. The progeny means whatever the offspring, the fetus is female. bar bodies are absent, that is male fetus. Okay, right. Okay, next statement 2. Bar body is the heterochromatinized X chromosome. Yes, bar body is the heterochromatinized X chromosome. Next one. In some neutrophils of women, the bar body occurs in the form of a drumstick. So like drumstick, like in some neutrophils of women, the bar body occurs in the form of drumstick like structure. Yes, correct. Normal human females have a single bar body in their somatic cells. Yes, the normal human females are exhibits a single bar body in the somatic cells. In the somatic cells, there is a inactivated sex chromosome is presented in females only. You need to remember. Okay, right. So first statement wrong. Remaining 2, 3, 4 statements are correct. So option number third. Okay, right. Okay. Question. Next question. Question number 19. What type of sex determination is found in grasshopper? So grasshopper and cockroaches exhibits what type of sex determination? XXXY, ZWZZ, ZZZY, and XXXO. So XX and XO type of sex determination exhibits by grasshoppers and cockroaches, right? That is male heterogamety. After this clear, right? So last question. So fetal sex can be determined from cells present in amniotic fluid by looking for. So by looking for what? We already discussed bar body and sex chromosomes. After this clear, so here's explanation also given. Amniocentesis is a cytological basis of sex determination test. It gives the abnormalities in the chromosomes. Interphasic nucleus of a human female contain 2 X chromosomes. Out of one X chromosome becomes a heterochromatin, other X chromosome become a euchromatin. By staining X heterochromatin, it appears as a dense body called bar body in the female. Blood neutrophils, drumstick structures are seen but absent in the male. When absent in the male, when bar body is not there, it's a male fetus. Bar bodies are presented, it is a female fetus. After this clear, once again go through this all the questions. So in this video little bit I done fast because we should cover 20 questions. Again, you not understood, any confusion is there, again once again you go throughout the video. Okay, right. Thank you very much. Bye bye.